For homeowners in Layton, maintaining a home through changing seasons, from hot summers to cold, snowy winters, can require time and effort. When it comes to entry doors, choosing a low-maintenance option can make a big difference in both convenience and long-term performance. The right door not only enhances your home's appearance and security but also reduces the need for frequent upkeep. One of the most popular low-maintenance entry door options is fiberglass. Fiberglass doors are designed to mimic the look of real wood while offering far greater durability. Unlike wood, fiberglass does not warp, crack, or swell due to moisture or temperature changes. In Layton's climate, where doors are exposed to both heat and cold, this stability ensures consistent performance year after year. Fiberglass doors also resist dents and scratches, making them ideal for busy households. Another strong option is steel entry doors. Known for their strength and security, steel doors are also relatively easy to maintain. They are resistant to warping and can withstand harsh weather conditions without losing their shape. Many steel doors come with protective coatings that prevent rust and corrosion, helping them maintain their appearance over time. For homeowners in Layton looking for a durable and secure option with minimal upkeep, steel doors are a reliable choice. Vinyl-clad doors are another low-maintenance alternative worth considering. These doors combine a sturdy core with a vinyl exterior that resists moisture and fading. The vinyl surface does not require painting or staining, and it can be easily cleaned with basic household products. This makes vinyl-clad doors especially appealing for homeowners who want a clean, polished look without ongoing maintenance. One of the key benefits of low-maintenance entry doors is their resistance to weather-related wear. Layton experiences a range of conditions, including snow, rain, and temperature fluctuations. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and vinyl are designed to handle these elements without deteriorating. This reduces the likelihood of issues such as peeling paint, rotting, or structural damage. Energy efficiency is another important advantage. Many low-maintenance doors are built with insulated cores and high-quality weather stripping. These features help prevent air leaks, keeping warm air inside during winter and hot air outside during summer. This not only improves indoor comfort but also reduces the workload on your heating and cooling system, which can lead to lower energy costs. Low-maintenance doors also simplify cleaning and upkeep. Unlike wood doors that may require regular refinishing, modern materials only need occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance. A simple wipe with soap and water is often enough to remove dirt and keep the door looking new. This convenience is especially valuable for homeowners with busy schedules. Another factor to consider is long-term durability. Investing in a low-maintenance door means fewer repairs and replacements over time. High-quality materials are designed to last, providing consistent performance without the need for frequent attention. This makes them a cost-effective option in the long run. Style is not sacrificed when choosing a low-maintenance door. Today's options come in a wide variety of designs, colors, and finishes. Fiberglass doors, for example, can replicate the texture and appearance of wood, while steel doors offer sleek, modern designs. Homeowners in Layton can choose a door that complements their home's architecture while still enjoying the benefits of easy maintenance. Security is another key consideration. Low-maintenance doors are often built with strong materials and advanced locking systems, providing an added layer of protection for your home. This combination of durability and security ensures that your entry door performs well in multiple ways. Proper installation is essential to maximize the benefits of any entry door. A professionally installed door ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and smooth operation. This helps prevent issues such as drafts, misalignment, or moisture intrusion, allowing the door to perform as intended. In the end, low-maintenance entry door options offer Layton homeowners a practical and reliable solution. By choosing materials like fiberglass, steel, or vinyl, you can reduce upkeep while improving durability, energy efficiency, and security. With the right door and proper installation, you can enjoy a comfortable, attractive, and hassle-free entryway for years to come.